Hello and welcome to the course. My name is OctoMan from OctoManGames.com, and in this course you're going to learn how to create sliding puzzles in Unity game engine. What we will learn is basically button interaction, so we can open our own website, we can exit the game later on, as well as we can start a new game. Once we start that, we're going to learn how to create interactive buttons over here, which are going to become automatically filled inside a grid. We define the size of the grid in this course, as well as we are going to give every, let's say, level over here a number, and we're going to load some previews inside over here. I'm going to provide this little froggy image for you, as well as the graphics in the bottom, as well as over here the background is also going to be inside the course, as well as this door icon. Also, we learn how to get back to any of them scenes if we do not want to continue. Once the player later on is taken a look over here, we are going to create a sliced image of the image we were sending over to the scene by selecting that. And also we are going to learn how to animate these little pieces by just selecting them or clicking on them, so the player is able to solve these puzzles. We are going to go for checking how that needs to be solved. And also we are going to learn a little bit about debugging, because sometimes we are going to stumble upon some issues we may or may not be able to fix on our own. So meaning we need to learn sometimes things which are helping us to debug and find errors when they appear. At the final end, we are going to solve the puzzle and show a little win or game over screen. And so we can go and exit out over here. At the very end, we are going to create a WebGL build and upload this to a website called itch.io, so you can show your progress and probably gonna be able to create like hundreds or even thousands of different levels with different settings and make a nice and good game out of this one. So if you'd like to join me on this journey, I hope I'm gonna see you inside the course. So yeah, let's get started.